Hi there, this is video 418 cosine law, and it is practice on finding this inside. So at this point, if you have not already done so, I think you are completely capable of turning off the video, doing the question, turn them back on, see how you did. Right, you should do that now. All right, I'm going to trust that you did. Okay, this one here isn't labeled, so make this X, A, and B. So little x, little b, little a. So we want to find x, so my formula needs to start with x. And I got a's and b's. Just realize my head disappears when I do that. There we go. All right, so this is what I want. So I need to match my angle at the back, and then whatever other two letters are there, A, B, A, B. All right, my formula is good. Now x squared, A is 29 squared, plus B is 22 squared, minus 2 times 29 times 22. Whoops. Oh no, I'm okay. Cos x, x is 40 degrees. Now, if you didn't use A and B, it really doesn't matter. As long as you use two other letters and you repeat it, because once you do the substitution, your line should look exactly the same as mine. Okay, I have no idea. Clear, 29, 841. Two times 29 times 22. 1276. And then we can do cos of 40 while we're at it. 4.766. All right, whoops, messed up there. No, so signs come down. So this one's a plus, this one's a minus. So we can put these two together. Oh, I may be lazy again. See, still have that. I already have this on my calculator. I'm just going to multiply it by 1276. So minus 977.477. 41 plus 44, 1325. Minus 977.727. 347.5273. Square root both sides. Square root 18.6. There are no units here. I don't need units here. I really don't know anything about the other sides, but 40 could, best I can say, be the smallest diagonal triangle. So that is a reasonable answer. I know 347 is definitely not a reasonable answer. That's way too much. All right, there we go. Now find EF. Okay, so I just wrote it different just because. The little bar on top actually means line segment EF, so that's this one, which we would normally call little b. And this is little f, and this is little e. And just to confirm, I got an angle sandwich, 95, 20 degrees, 20.9 degrees, and 84. So we're good. So I need to find d. So d squared, e squared plus f squared minus 2ef cos d. front and back match. Other two letters in my diagram are E's and F's, EF, EF. Ta-da, we're good. Now throw in some letters. D squared. E squared is 84 squared plus F 96 squared minus 2 times 84 times 96 cos 20.9. All right, so now I can check. I have only one variable left. Everything else is numbers. And I got 84.96 and 84.96. I think we're good. Get my handy dandy calculator going here. 84 squared. Yeah, you can do 84 times 84, but you know, I might as well use a button on my calculator. 7056 plus 96 squared, 9216 minus 2 times 84 times 96, 16, 128, and then 20.9 goes 0.93. Sorry, that's what happens when I use my phone. 9342 times 1628. Something's wrong. That number just seems way too big. Let me try that again. 2 times 84 times 96. 128. All right, I guess I was wrong. Times 0.9342 minus 15066.7776. Let's put these together. It's 9216. Oh, okay, we're all right. As long as this number 16,272 is bigger than that one, we're okay. Why does it matter? Because if this back one is bigger, then I end up with a negative and then something went really wrong. So minus 15066.7776. So 1,205.2224 square root, square root, square root. And okay, they use one decimal place there. Now, this number is really small in comparison to these two, but also realize it's across from an angle of 20 degrees, which is a really small angle. So it makes sense that in comparison, this is a really small number. No units, we don't have to worry about units there. And again, for anything I do, if I don't tell you how many numbers to round to, I can't really yell at you too much. Because I said one decimal place because that has one decimal place, but you could also argue, well, why are you bothering with the decimal place? Because the two lengths of sides don't have decimal places. So if you wrote that, or you wrote D is equal to 35, I'd be completely good with either of those. Don't put D as 34, because you always got to round. Never just, it's called truncate. It's a computery term. Never just cut it off. Round appropriately. All right, last one. I'm going to give you a question. I just said, what can you solve for? Well, the truth is, I've got a side. Well, let's go through it all. Can I use Pythagorean theorem or SOHCAHTOA? Nope, no 90 degree. Can't even use sine law because I don't have a matching set. So I guess we got cosine law. And you know what? It's a little bit like sine law. You need a matching set. So the only thing I can solve for is little side u over here. Let's do that. And this is going to be w. And it's going to be v. So u squared is w squared plus v squared. In case you heard me pause there for a second, I'm just going in my head, which comes first in the alphabet? Doesn't matter. 2w v cos u. All right, matchy matchy, front and back. WV, WV. Well, now my brain's going, is it WV or VW? Okay. Feel free to email me, because if you're watching this video, you're one of my students, email me, you can tell me which one is correct, if I got my alphabets right or not. It'll make you happy. I know you will. All right, so u squared is w squared, which is 18 squared, plus 21.9 squared minus 2 times 18, 21.9 cos 46 degrees. All right, so one variable, all the rest are numbers, 18, 21, 9, 18, 21, 9, and we're good. All right, 18 squared, I don't know. There we go. 324 plus 21.9 squared, 479.61 minus 2 times 18 times 21.9, 788.4, and cosine 46 degrees, 0.6947. All right, and put these together, these together. I'm going to keep cheating. I'm going to do that part first. I guess it's not cheating. Order of operations says you do multiplication next. But mostly it's because I'm lazy. 4. So 547.6686, 324 plus 479.61, 803.61, u squared equals, so I'm going to subtract 547.6686 5.9414 and square root that. Dang it. Well, that's obviously not the right answer. I think I squared it instead of squared it. So if we square it once, that takes me back there. And we square it again. 15.998. So u is equal to 16. And this says yards, so I can put yards. If you want to argue and want to put one decimal place, well, you know what? You could put 16.0, and that would be fine too. I know you don't want to argue with me. Why argue? Life's good. Math is cool.